Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Today's an amazing day. Bitcoin is pumping, which is beautiful. I'm here in amazing Dubai. Check out my view from the balcony. It's just epic. From Stargate Atlantis. Look at this. We're gonna jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, join 75,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Don't forget, on every video, if you comment on a video down below, every video, my team is gonna pick 5 winners every month, $200 each, giving away $1,000 a month. Let's jump straight into the charts for Bitcoin. Make sure to watch to the end. I'm gonna show you my trades, and Bitcoin is pumping. And we're going into the trades right now, which and Bitcoin. This is tradingview.com. On the 15 minutes, we're getting a big pump from the earlier video. What's also good is we've got this W formation starting to form. If this can break the neckline right here, the target will be that 200 weekly moving average, which would take us to 22,000. If you followed my live trade channel, I had this trade set up, and that trade is pumping, which is beautiful. On the daily, the stochastic is oversold, heading up. We've got a long way to go before the stochastic is overbought. On the 4 hourly, yesterday we were overbought, but that quick correction was perfect for us to reset the stochastic, turning to head up, making higher low. The RSI is heading up. The RSI on 1 hour it's overbought slightly, so we could pull back for a little bit. 15 minutes also will pull back most likely for a little bit. Then before this big move, EMA ribbons on the 4 hourly. We're going into the EMA ribbons. Let's see if they can turn. Every time we go into the EMA ribbons, we get rejected though, so we need to break above it. Crypto Guru bot flipped to a buy on the 4 hourly, which is rare. That doesn't happen very often. You get the Crypto Guru bot in the Crypto Guru master course. So I would actually be going long on Bitcoin with the long if you followed my live trades. And if you want to see my live trades, I've got a free Telegram group. You can join it. The link is in the description. There's 529 members in here. This was only started about 48 hours ago, and there's almost 500 plus. There's more than 500 people in there so far. Bitcoin long in profit so far. Make sure moving stop loss into profits. This is the Bitcoin long I opened. I messaged it. I messaged about the Bitcoin long, Doge long. I messaged about a Doge long today. I messaged about the Bitcoin long, I think here, so around here. I messaged about the trade from today's video in the plus from the last video. So that trade opened at 20,200 and now we are at 20,856, which is pumping. I'm going to show you where I would open the trade. If you haven't yet opened the trade, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do in the description of this video, make sure you're using the link in the description and the pinned comment. If you sign up to Bybit, you get that $4,800 sign up bonus. When you sign up to Bybit, join my trading team. Why do you use Bybit? If you've been using other exchanges, you're worried about getting hacked, you have high fees, or you get liquidated, Bybit is one of the best exchanges. It has very low fees, and if you use this link, you don't have any maker fees, so it's very cheap for opening trades. You also get that $4,800 bonus, and it's the third biggest exchange in the world. So it's one of my favorite exchanges to use because it's the third biggest. I know the founder of the exchange, Ben, myself, and I know it's a very secure exchange. These guys are not going away anywhere anyway. So they're not going away. So this exchange is very safe. My trade right now on Bitcoin is pumping. It's $3,300 in the profits, which is beautiful. It's a $101,000 trade, 5 Bitcoin, and now it's in $3,400 in the profits right now, up 30%. My Ethereum trade is up 49%. It's a $96 in the profits, which is beautiful. So this Bitcoin trade is pumping. In here, I've got in this account 182,694, pumping from earlier today's video, up $6,000 from the video earlier today. 4 Bitcoin in here, USD 46,000, Doge 11,000. Doge is making big movements. If you follow my trade, that's good. And Bit is up 10,006, up to 10,600. Also on Binance, I have, let's see what's in Binance. Not now. I've got in this account, it's up $1,200 today, $271,000. I've got 10 Bitcoin in here and 54,000 USD. So those are pumping. So again, if you haven't opened a trade, where I would open a trade on Bitcoin and Ethereum, I would take the long right now. Actually, no, I would put the daily. So I'd open the trade at 20,700 when Bitcoin pulls back on the hourly and studying the stochastic. I'd put the stop loss under the weekly, and I'd put the take profit at that 200 weekly moving average line. Actually, this is a W formation, so we could put this distance, which will line up around the same. That's the trade I would take for Bitcoin. So now I'm going to show you how to set up the trade if you haven't yet set it up. So opening the trade at 20,700, stop loss at 20,400, and the take profit at 22,347. So risking $283 to make $1,636, which is amazing. It's a 5.7 ratio trade, which if you're in my trading group in Telegram, you know that's a good trade. We take trades that are more than 3 times ratio. So this is five. So for every dollar I risk, I make $5.78 in profits. With 10x leverage, that would be $16,000 of profits. Now I'm going to show you how to open the trade on Bybit. Again, if you want to trade, in the description of this video, using that Bybit link down below, make sure you use this link to get that bonus. And that will open this trading software, and I would open the trade on Bitcoin exactly where we're sitting right now. I've got a 9x leverage, so I would open the trade at 20,000. So how you read these trades when I share them, I'm going to show you. It's just going to load 1 second. How you read the trades is this: the top of it is the take profit. The trade opens on this white line, and the stop loss is on the bottom. So those are the 3 points you need to know. So the trade is going to open at 20,700, stop loss at 20,400. So the trade will open 20,700. I would do on this position. You have to always do no more than 2% of your capital per trade. So meaning if you have $100,000, you can only do a $2,000 trade. If you have $10,000, you can only do a $200 trade. So for example, if you had $10,000 in accounts, for example, you do $200 trade with 10x leverage, I'll be $2,000. So I'm risking $200. You can only risk 2% of your account. My stop loss is at 20,400. So 20,400 would be the stop loss, and the take profit would be 22,400. So I'm risking $26 to make $147 per trade. So that risking $27 is very little. So I remember I can risk 2% of my account. So for example, if I had $10,000 to trade, that means I could do a $1,000 trade, because if I have $10,000, then I could be risking, if I have $10,000, 2%, 1% is $100 to $200. So I could do, if I had $10,000 account, I could do a $1,500 trade with margin, and that would let me risk $195 to make $1,100. With 10x leverage, that $1,500 trade would be $10,500 trade. So with a $10,500 trade, I'm risking $195 to make $1,100, and that's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. And then I would open long, and I would take this trade. So it'll be a 0.64 Bitcoin trade. The order cost will be $1,498. The take profit will be $22,000, and I'd risk only. So I would risk on this trade again. I'd be risking 1,500. So I would risk on this trade, if I did 1,500, I would be risking $184 to make $1,047. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. That's the quick update. And in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to go for a pump. I would wait again until it pulls back a little bit, then bounces, then go long. And I'm going to share this trade right now in my Telegram, and I'll also be sharing other trades in here. Join it. The link is in the description under this video. You'll see the link to the Telegram and to Bybit to start trading. And make sure you sign up to Bybit, get that $4,800 sign up bonus on Bybit, which is beautiful. Big congratulations, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, join 75,000 people, hit the thumbs up button. My goal is to show you what I do, how I trade for 20 years, and my experience in the markets. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.